First, here is John Anderson.
It's Friday night, baby, get ready, set, go. I'm gonna take you to the Crystal and a picture show. Well, the sky's the limit, there's no price too high. Baby, you're the apple of my eye. Got my paycheck in my pocket and some gas in the tank. Honey, your love's better than money in the bank. I wish I had a bass boat and a Z28. But I guess that stuff will have to wait. 'Cause I'm saving on a washer and a wedding ring. I want this love to be a lasting thing. Right at the top, that's where you rank. Honey, your love's better than money in the bank. Crazy dream. I met a man who invented a money machine. He said, I know things are tight and times are tough, but give me the machine if I give you up. I just looked him in the eye and I said, no thanks. Honey, your love's better than money in the bank. Honey, your love's better than money in the bank. Thank you very much. I would like to say it's certainly very much a pleasure being back on Austin City Limits. I want to thank you all for coming out this evening. I'm going to do y'all a few songs from the Seminole Wind album. This first song was written by my good friend Mr. Mark Knopfler of Dire Straits. It's called Honey, When It Comes to You. If we can't get along, we ought to be apart. And I'm a-wondering where'd you get that cold, cold heart? Setting me free, sign my release. I'm tired of being a villain of the piece. You've been giving me bad times, tell me what I do. How come I always get a hard time, honey, when it comes to you? They're saying things that you didn't have to. How come I always get a hard time, honey, when it comes to you? You only get one night, and this I know. I wanna get my licks in now before I go. of love is dead and cold. I gotta satisfy the hunger in my soul. You've been giving me bad times. Tell me what I do. How come I always get a hard time, honey, when it comes to you? Saying things that you didn't have to. How come I always get a hard time, honey, when it comes to you? Be apart, and I'm wondering where'd you get that cold, cold heart? Setting me free, sign my release. I'm tired of being a villain of the piece. You've been giving me bad times. Tell me what I do. How come I always get a hard time, honey, when it comes to you? Saying things that you didn't have to. How come I always get a hard time, honey, when it comes to you? How come you give me such a hard time, honey, when it comes to you? She comes here a lot. She just loves to hear the music and dance. K13 is her favorite song. If you play it, you might have a chance. Tonight she's only sipping white wine. She's friendly and fun-loving most of the time. But don't ask her on a straight tequila night. She'll start thinking about him, and she's ready to fight. Blames her broken heart on every man inside. On a straight tequila night. Here's a glass of Chablis and some quarters and change. Maybe you can turn her love life around. Then she won't need the salt or the lime anymore to shoot that old memory down. Just remember her heart's on the mend. If you ever come back to see her again, don't ask her on a straight tequila night. She'll start thinking about him, and she's ready to fight. Blames her broken heart on every man inside. On a straight tequila night. Don't ask her on a straight tequila night. She'll start thinking about him, and she's ready to fight. Blames her broken she'll start thinking about him, and she's ready to fight. There's a broken heart on every man inside. Let's drink tequila night. This song was written by my good friend, Mr. Max D. Barnes. A song I wished I could have written myself. It's called I've Got It Made. I'm going to take y'all back about 10 years ago this summer. A little song we wrote called Just a Swingin'. Johnson, and she's really looking good. I had to go and see her, so I called her on the phone. I walked over to her house, and this was going on. Her brother was on the sofa, eating chocolate pie. Her mama was in the kitchen, cutting chicken up to fry. My daddy was in the backyard, rolling up a garden hose. I was on a porch with Charlotte, feeling love down to my toes, and we were swinging. Just a swing. A little song that she's as pretty as the angels when they sing. I can't believe I'm out here on the front porch in a swing. A swing. She makes me almost high. Charlotte is my lover. She has been since the spring. Just can't believe it started on the front porch in a swing. We were swinging. Yeah, just a swing. Little song that she's as pretty as the angels when they sing. I can't believe I'm out here on the front porch in a swing. A swing. I said, little song that she's as pretty as the angels when they sing. I can't believe I'm out here on a front porch in a swing, a swing. Thank y'all, we love you. God bless y'all. Once again, as always, it is certainly a pleasure being in Texas. Some of the greatest country music market in the world. God bless you all. days of old, men would search for wealth untold. They dig for silver and for gold and leave the empty holes. And way down south in the Everglades, where the black water rolls and the sawgrass waves, the eagles fly and the otters play in the land of the Seminole. And blow, blow, Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. I'm calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know who you are. And blow, blow from the Okeechobee all the way up to Micanopy. Blow across the home of the Seminoles, the alligators and the guards. And in the name of flood control, they made their plans and they drained the land. Now the glades are going dry. And the last time I walked in the swamp, I sat up on a cypress stump. I listened close and I heard the ghost of Osceola cry. And blow, blow, Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. I'm calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know who you are. And blow, blow from the Okeechobee all the way up to Micanopy. Blow across the home of the Seminoles, the alligators and the guards. Once again, thanks to all of you. God bless each and every one of you. And thanks to Austin City Limits. Good night. God bless you.